everyone, welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I bought a brand new wig from Paula Young. This is Bindi in the color SF1228 Honey. Now you may recognize that I am wearing Bindi on my head. This one is in that exclusive color Toasted Marshmallow. I reviewed this for Paula Young a while ago. I'm going to link that video over here. I thought the style was so pretty when I reviewed it, but I really wanted to get it in my favorite color, Honey. So I am so excited because I purchased this for myself for my birthday. So let's open it up and try it on. Bindi. She is inside out. And she is bobby pinned in. So we have a basic cap with that soft front. This is all open wefting up here. We have the open ear tabs with a bendy stay. We do have an open, small extended nape. Of course, your Velcro adjusters and plenty of stretch in these caps. You can see how close the wefts are there. There's a lot of hair on here. Not over the top amount though. Oh, I'm so excited to have my favorite color. There is the top. You may see some visible permatease there, but I will work with that. So let's put it on. Woo. Oh, it's already just beautiful. Okay, let me just give this a comb through. I love those waves. So pretty. So pretty. So before I mess Bindi up, I'm going to put her stock photo here, her measurements here, and we will compare and I will spin. It's so pretty. You can see the volume on the bottom, but it has great movement. Very sort of lightweight, soft curls. Loving this. All right, so I do feel like the bangs have a little bit of box hair. You can see they're kind of sticking up funny. So I'm just gonna give her a spritz with water and kind of mess it up here so I can work it into a style. Just water in my luster bottle. And I really spritz the top there good. And then I am just digging in with my fingers to get to the permatease. If you want to see her all ready, just go ahead and skip to 9:05 in the video. Kind of activate those curls a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to try to work on this permatease up here. That I can feel and kind of get rid of that crisscross part. Step back so that you can see more of the style. So the bangs are still a little bit funky. I'm just gonna get out my hot air brush with a little round attachment. So I am just going to put most of it back in a clip just to keep it off so that that doesn't get in the hot brush. All right, now let me just give these another spritz with water. So I know that they will do what I want because I need to retrain them. We have one little longer piece. Let's get that out of there. Make sure I just have the bangs. All right, round attachment, and there we go. Okay, let's see where we are at with these bangs. Kind of curled them under. I'm liking that. Liking that. All right, take that back down. And if you wanted to trim up the bangs, you certainly could. I don't think that I will because sometimes I like to ear tuck and kind of put the bang in with my ear tuck. So you could do them more straight across though, if that's what you like, which maybe I'll have some over. I also think that I'm gonna add just a little bit of root spray to the top. I don't think it looks nasty, but just in case, if you can see permatease there. So this is a light golden brown, and I'm just gonna do it right here on the top, kind of right at that part line, maybe a little bit right here. Let's see where we're at. See where we are at. Let's go up and over one more time and see how it's looking. I think that is looking pretty good. Maybe just a little more root spray right here. Can kind of see right there. All right. I think that is pretty darn good. I'm gonna side sweep those a little bit more. This definitely is similar to the old retired Valentina. I think it's maybe a little bit shorter and a little bit fuller on the bottom, but very similar. So if you liked Valentina, I think this is a great option. What do you guys think? Bindi and honey. Super pretty. So I do want to take you outside and show you her color outside in the sunlight. But first, let's try a few styling options. Headbands are always a cute option. Isn't that pretty? Now let's try a ponytail. Gather the hair in the back and just do a low pony. Now obviously make sure that your wig grip isn't showing. Mine was showing in this, but I am just doing these styles quickly to show you. When you leave the house, always make sure that your wig line is adjusted. Now we can just add to this and do a little messy bun. Isn't that cute? So even if you have long styles, they make for cute updos. Let's try a half up. Gather the hair, twist it up at the back, and then secure with a claw clip, then let the remaining hair fall over top. I always think that is such a pretty look. So now we'll add to this and do a full updo. Again, twist up the back, secure with your claw clip, adjust the bottom of your wig there at the nape. In the hot summer months, you can wear these long styles and cute updos so you stay cool. Now you can always trim in a few baby hairs at the nape and then also on the sides framing your face. And I probably will do that with this style because I really love it up. Let's try your sunglasses. They go in perfectly. Put them on top of your head when you're running into the store. Looks so cute. I'm working on a little formal side swept do where I twist all the way around. And this is really a great style with wigs because it does hide the wig line at the base. Just secure with a claw clip and then bring the cascading hair around. You can add a little sparkly barrette for extra pizzazz. And that is a super cute style for a wedding or a baby shower or a bridal shower. I just love it. I'm going to add a couple twists on top and secure with a claw clip. This is just a cute little workday look. Let the hair kind of fall over top of those clips and it just looks pretty. And now I'm going to try a style with it down, tucked behind my ear for a sleeker look. Just a little more of a professional look, or maybe just a going out for a date night look. Very pretty. I hope you were inspired by some of these styles. So BINDI is available in 22 Paula Young colors. That's all their preferred hues, plus that special color Toasted Marshmallow. And remember, when you're shopping at Paula Young, you can use my discount code BBH20. That's going to save you 20% off of each wig, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. Use anytime you shop. It's not a one and done. So before I step outside and show you this beautiful color and style out in the sunlight, I just want to thank you all for being here today. I truly appreciate all of your support. And if you are so kind, please go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment down below. I love to read your comments and I love to interact with you. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.